Guys are wondering what it looks like, what I do while waiting for a time lapse for this vlog. I'm using the lens for more wide. I also got a fish lens with it. Yeah.
Yeah, you can create the kind of sounds that it seems really authentic and beautiful.
Alright, so today is the 28th of April. As you can see, it's Thursday. Right now it's 3 o'clock p.m. I'm thinking of going to the supermarket and getting chips, because I'm craving for chips now, because someone brought chips to school and I had some, and now I want to buy my own chips, because the people, they sometimes don't share the whole bag, and it's better if you have your own bag. And yeah, you get, some of you probably get me, so we might go to the supermarket later. We're on our way to the store, OXXO, where we always go. There's that bump that I always go on and stop at. Alright, so we got my chips and my Coke Life.
The kind of sounds that it seems really authentic.
Alright, so this is what I got from the store. And I've been in my house for at least 3 hours after that last clip that you saw. This is what I got. I got Coke Life. Oh, you probably don't know what that is, but some of you probably do. I don't know if they have it in the States or Canada yet. And we got chips. They're spicy flavor with lime on the side or whatever. Not on the side, but with it. So I think I need a new mic, because when I tap on this, you can probably hear that sound, and that's like a gentle clap. And when I scratch the case, I don't know if you can hear that, but sometimes when the mount, the tripod makes noise, or hits, it vibrates to the phone mic. And yeah, I think I need a professional mic, like a shotgun mic. If you don't know what that is, it's a mic that's that comes with that fluffy thing called a dead cat's tail, I think. Yeah, it's really good. I need one day. They cost about $60, which is a good price. I don't know where to find it in my country, which is Mazalan, of course. Hey guys, it's 4:52, almost 5 o'clock. I haven't really filmed much today because it was my little brother's birthday, not the one that you saw in the few past vlog, a few vlogs ago, I guess you can say. But he's little, he turned 6 years old, and he's still short. But yeah, we went to an arcade, and after we went to get burgers and Dairy Queen, then we came back home. That's pretty much what happened. I was gonna go see Captain America because it came out today, Captain America Civil War. It's I think it's a good movie, so maybe tomorrow me and Nicholas are gonna see it. I don't know. I might have to ask him, but if not, it's cool, Nicholas. Alright, so I'm gonna go longboarding because I just feel like it, around where I usually get my time lapse, the the lake or swamp. Yeah. And also I'm using my selfie stick for when I go longboarding, because that's pretty like the selfie stick is good for longboarding, for like the height, like so you can have like more like what, so you can see more, you know? Yeah. We're going on a trip to the swamp, or the canoe. I don't know what I should call it, or what it's supposed to be called. The canal, I think. That's a proper name for it. So yeah, canal.
Beautiful.
So we got like a lot of tickets from the arcade. So like, yeah, so like about 1,000 tickets, and we all put together all of our tickets, and because it was my brother's birthday, he got to use it. And yeah. So, walked around for a little bit in the mall. My voice sounds weird. It sounds a little different, like deep or whatever. Loud. I like it. But anyway, guess where we're at. What we're at. I almost went in the dirt. Well, sort of did. But the important part is that we're here. By the way, I'm using a lens on my iPhone to get the like more wideness.
That's better than I thought.
They create their music and it's good.
Alright, so now we're off to go. I don't know what that was, but now we're gonna go walk the beach back to my neighborhood. Here's the beach. People over there like chilling in the canoe, I guess you can call it. Epic jump. Just so you guys know, today I didn't have school because end of the last Friday of the month. We do that like on every month. No school on the last Friday of the month. Yeah. Gotta get the wristband on, so in case if I drop the selfie stick. But yeah, back in Cerritos, where my neighborhood is. Just so you know, I got chips in my bag. I've been carrying around like, since we left the house. The iPhone seems a little quick to me. Or like, it's not correct. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the vending machine. I'm thirsty. Alright, so yeah. And by the way, I had some of the spicy chips. They're like spicy, but they're good. There's a trumpet part. How about you almost going off curves. Vending machine. Right. More Sprite. Yes. Now we gotta put it in my backpack. And we're off. I feel like one of my backpack pocket is open, but it isn't. Arm strap, I forgot the arm strap.